haven't done a video in a little while because I don't know, I've been dealing with a lot of nonsense. I'm trying to get a visa to go back to the Philippines, and been having problems with it. You know, that the new COVID variant came out, and then they banned a whole bunch of countries, and from there the visa, the consulate, the Philippine consulate sent back my visa, and I had to resend it in. So now I'm planning on going back in May, see what happens. I'm still waiting to find out if my visa gets approved. So right now I'm in Prescott, Arkansas. Just taking a walk around this truck stop here. Exit 44 truck stop. I don't know which way I should head. There's a factory over there. I'll head over there. Doesn't look like anything but farm, empty fields over there. The other way, in the other direction. Looks like they got an old shop over here that's falling apart. There's another shop over there. I'm not getting a lot of business now, I think, because they opened up a bigger truck stop across the other side. It's probably killing this one, but who knows? Maybe they're still surviving. Got a restaurant over there. So I'm waiting to find out what's going to happen when and if I go back in May. Hopefully my visa will get approved and I'll fly back, but from what I understand right now, you got to do a 7-day quarantine in a hotel where you're basically a prisoner. Then on the 6th day you get a COVID test. If you don't have COVID, you go back home, do another 7 days, and then you're free, I guess. So I'm gonna have to do a little time in prison, but you know, that's what I gotta do to see my family and everything, so I'm gonna do it. 7 days. It was only what, 2 to 3 days. Now it's 7 days. Maybe by May things will change for the better. Who knows? It might change for the worse. There really isn't much room to walk on this road, so I don't know if I wish I could take a drive down this road. It'd be pretty cool. I guess there's wood over here. Smells like burning wood. Some kind of wood recycling. They got pallets of wood waste. No trucks from here on, but yeah, you can see this nice empty fields. Nowhere really for me to walk, that's the thing, so probably gonna turn back. I just don't have So that's gonna end it. I'll put some video also of my drive through Texas during the storm. Got some footage. I didn't get some of the real good footage. I missed it. There was a lot of accidents, a lot of icy roads, and I was worried about making it through, so I didn't think to film. Look at the edge of the divide of the road. But yeah, I missed, and there was one truck slid sideways, blocking out the whole freeway. Had to drive on the shoulder to get around them. So I missed a lot of good stuff, but that's all right, because I was just trying to make it through and not get in an accident myself, and I made it through by the skin of my teeth. So that's good. That's good. So anyways, see you on the next one. this mess here.